In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste a data source between Tableau workbooks. Whether you're working on multiple projects or just need to share your data analyses, this can be a practical skill to make your workflow more efficient. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're new to Tableau, you'll be able to follow along. First, you'll want to start by opening the Tableau public app. If you don't already have it installed, you can easily download it from the Tableau website. It's always a good idea to ensure you're using the latest version, as updates often include important functionality improvements and security enhancements. Once inside the app, make sure you have both the source and destination Tableau workbooks open. This is crucial because you'll be moving data between two different files, and having them both accessible will make the process smooth and seamless. Think of it like moving items from one open box to another. Both need to be in front of you. Now, it's important to note that the copy option in Tableau Public can sometimes be a bit restricted. You might find that for some actions and views, this option is intentionally limited or disabled. This limitation encourages users to consider upgrading to the full version of Tableau Desktop, which offers a broader range of features. However, what we're doing today should work just fine with the free version. Next, navigate to the source workbook. You'll want to locate the worksheet that utilizes the data source you wish to copy. Visualize it like flipping through a photo album to a specific picture you want to make another print of. Once you find the correct worksheet, right-click on the Sheet tab. This action will bring up a contextual menu, giving you various options. Among these options, you'll see the Copy option. Go ahead and select it. What this does is essentially captures the worksheet and its data source, holding it temporarily until you're ready to paste it elsewhere. Switch over to your destination workbook. This can be thought of like opening another folder where this new copy will reside. Once there, you'll again want to right-click, but this time in the area where the sheet tabs are displayed either at the bottom or side of your screen. From the contextual menu that appears, select Paste. What happens next is that Tableau will do the heavy lifting. It will paste the copied worksheet along with the associated data source into the destination workbook. And just like that, your data source is now available in a new workbook. It's an elegant solution for sharing and reusing your work across different projects. Following these steps ensures that you can efficiently manage your data sources, saving both time and effort. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Happy data analyzing!